people hear investment banking, they imagine fancy suits, huge salaries, and an elite lifestyle. And yes, that's the reputation. But here's the truth: investment bankers is not just about money and status, it's about deals that move entire economies. I have spent years studying how people actually break into this career, and it's not what you think. So, in the next 5 minutes, I will give you the complete roadmap: the right degrees, the essential skills, how interviews really work, and which bank you should target in India, step by step. What investment banking really is. So, let's get clear. What is investment banking? Think of it as the business of money at a scale. When a company wants to raise funds, launch an IPO, or even acquire another company, they don't walk into their local bank branch. They call an investment bank. Investment bankers are like financial architects. They're designing deals to raise capital, advising on mergers and acquisitions, like Facebook buying Instagram or Zomato acquiring Blinkit, building valuation models and preparing pitch books to win investors' trust. In short, they connect companies that need money with investors who have money. Educational path. Now, how do you become one? Let's start with education. Yes, tier 1 colleges like SRCC, IIMs, or Wharton give you a head start. But here's the truth: in 2025, banks care more about skills plus proof of work. Even from tier 2 or tier 3, you can break in if you build financial modeling expertise, create valuation projects and pitch decks, land internships in boutique banks, big four corporate finance, or smaller firms. Oh, and one more thing. In India, right now, certifications like NISM Merchant Banking, CIBOP, or even the Global CFA Charter are becoming way more valued by recruiters. They are basically proof that you are serious about this career and that you are industry ready. Skills you need. In 2025, here are the skills that matter most: financial modeling and valuation like DCF, forms, deal forms, Excel and PowerPoint mastery, accounting and corporate finance fundamentals, pitch books and presentation building, negotiation and communication. Since AI can crunch numbers, but only you can build trust with clients. And this is important. AI is already doing the repetitive analyst tasks, basic modeling, data cleaning, even pitch book formatting. That means your real value is in judgment, strategy, and communication. Cracking the interviews. Investment banking interviews have not changed much. Technical questions, valuation, modeling, accounting, with questions: why IB, why our firm, walk me through your story, case studies and brain teasers, business scenarios to test your thinking. But by 2025, interviewers are also checking if you are AI comfortable. Expect questions on how you would leverage AI tools for analysis or client work. The key: don't memorize answers. Show you understand concepts and can apply them to real world situations. Career growth. The career ladder remains structured: analyst, client face, models, pitch decks, late nights, associate, manage analyst, join client calls, start becoming the team's face. VP, lead deals, manage client, shape decisions. Director, win client, oversee transactions. Managing director, you are the rainmaker. $1 billion deals depends on your network. And by 2025, there are also new specialist paths: ESG banking, tech and healthcare, M&A and private credit. Fast growing needs where demand is exploding. Salary and lifestyle reality. Let's be real, the pay is a huge draw. Analysts in India still start at 12 to 20 lakhs per year. By VP or director, compensation runs into crores plus hefty bonuses. But beyond money, IB gives you unmatched global exposure, elite that shape industries. Few careers can match that combination. So here's the bottom line in 2025. Just wanting to be an investment banker is not enough. You need the right roadmap, the right skills, and prove that you can add value beyond what AI can do. So if you're serious, start today. Master financial modeling and certification, create proof of work projects, and get internships. Because the sooner you start building, the closer you are to landing your seat at the table.